we can bring you guys in and you do a free estimate. Is that correct?
Yeah, there's no risk. You just come in. We like to also say we're not a pressure company. So we just come in, we have our whole schedule booked up all the time for free estimates. It's free, it's no obligation. We try to make the most cost-effective estimate possible for each customer while also listening to what the customer wants at the same time. So often we'll provide two, three, four estimates for one house and say, hey, here's your different options for what you could do. You could do a repair, you can do a replacement, you could do this option, you could, do this or that, or you can take off line items on each end estimate. Yeah, we can definitely do this part of the estimate and save the rest for later. But yeah, my dad and my brothers normally go out and they take lots of notes and then I put the estimate together and yeah, we're not going to pressure you into anything you don't want. Just yeah, here's the estimate and we'd love to help you repair that. And it's free, it's no obligation. So yeah, there's no risk in there.
Well, I love that because basically you're a one-stop shop with a window. So you guys come in and take a look and you can see, I love options in general, but you give options from replacement to repair, and then so the cost estimate can go from one end to the other, just depending. However, if it is better to replace it, you don't have to go call some of the other bigger window companies to come in and give an estimate for a replacement. You guys know this business, you know windows. I've not heard of that company that you said you work with, the which was what was that again? The
Oh well,
manufacturer
yeah, there's yeah, all side or mill, yeah, all side maybe
outside.
or
I've
yeah,
never heard
yeah,
of them, but
yeah,
you guys
yeah,
know them, and obviously, as a family-owned business, your customers are become your family. They just, start to become, and you're
yeah,
not going to go ahead and uh, suggest something or bring in something that you know is going to be a problem for them. But these are things that we don't know. So I
right.
like that you're kind of a one-stop. We don't have to worry about now we have to go get other people in and estimates. I mean, if you're a person who needs all different estimates and bring people in, by all means,
Yeah,
go ahead and do that. But
yeah,
if you're
yeah,
somebody who is got so much going on and it's just like, oh shoot, another thing, they can call you
right.
guys and you got their back either way.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. And we always just start out with the best balance of cost and quality. So all side meets that best balance of cost and quality. So yeah, we're not going to try to upsell you on a window that has the same energy efficiency rating, but it's going to cost hundreds of dollars more. Like, no, we're just
Yeah.
going to start you out with it has a good energy efficiency rating, it has good quality, it has a good warranty. Yeah, just go with this one. We're not going to try to upsell you into something that you don't really need for sure.
Well, and a lot of the other businesses, I've had um, a good bit of windows replaced about 15 years ago, and I went with one of the bigger companies. But I know um, the window isn't any better or worse. I mean, they tell you it's better, but I'm still feeling cold and it, and in
Yeah,
the summer, I mean, it's hot and, it's
yeah,
supposed to have this, that, and the other thing. And it was ridiculously expensive, but I'm paying for I mean, they're amazing marketers. So I'm
yeah,
paying for the marketing as opposed to what the actual window is. And on your local and
yeah,
your kind of, you're booked with estimates and work, but you're quiet. We're not paying for all the other added expenses, which is another reason
exactly.
why I just think you guys are awesome.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. A big problem with some of the larger companies, I understand. Yeah, if that's what the choice people want to make, we have no objection to that. Like everybody needs a job for sure. But the reason why we don't recommend some of the bigger window brands is because they're difficult to repair because they want to keep selling you a new window. Oh, it broke. Oh,
Right.
we'll sell you another window again.
Yep.
But Yeah, like we're a small company. We've been around for 35 years. We're going to be around for at least another 35 years. So yeah,
Great.
we make wise investments in the type of marketing and we're going to get. We want those referrals. We want to have that long-term relationship. So yeah, of course we have to do a little bit of marketing and advertising, but we try to do that in a smart, budget conscious way that's going to protect our family, our company, and our customers' dollars.